Okay, this video goes over using free transform to size an image. So you're going to use this if you have multiple images or multiple layers. This is not for if you are trying to size a feature image. For that, you need to look at the video about how to size an image / how to size a feature image. So, for instance, if we have, say this is a background and we're making, say, a banner for a web page or a website or a newsletter, something like that, we have this background and we want to put in, say, a logo or some other image on top of it. Let's start off with using the Like Appliance Repair image. We're going to drag and drop it in there, and you can see we have our sizing box here. So I can size it down if I wanted to have a little thing over here, hit enter, and go about my business, add my text, do whatever else. Okay, so now that I've hit enter, say I want to go back and I want to make the logo bigger, what do? You just click on the logo here, or you can click on the layer here, either one. So we're going to click on it, and we are going to free transform, which lets you transform it, size it, pull it, shape it however you want. So the shortcut for that is ctrl T, and you can see it pops your sizing box there, or you can go to click on your image, go to edit, free transform. Same thing. Alright, so we want to make it bigger, we do that. We want to make it smaller, do that. But what if we wanted it to be rotated a little bit? We come over here. If you hover your mouse right there on the corner or on the side, just around one of those little dots or squares, you can see you can drag, click and drag, and you can turn it whichever way you want. So say we want it just like that. We like it like that, we hit enter. We're good. Okay, say we decide we want it bigger, Control T, and we're going to make it bigger and enter. And that's all you do to free transform it. Be careful when you do this though, because if I transform this and make it huge, it's gonna at some point start to look pixelated. So you want to make sure that this image that you're transforming is as big or smaller than what you're transforming it to. You never want to make something in Photoshop, which is in pixels, you never want to make something bigger than it actually is, because then it gets pixelated or blurry. Okay? So Control T is a very useful keyboard shortcut that you'll use a lot if you start playing with multiple images. And then you just save your file and you're done.